In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsend email in Gmail. If you've ever hit send and immediately spotted a typo, attached the wrong file, or messaged the wrong person, this feature can save you a lot of stress. Gmail includes a built-in safety net called Undo Send. It doesn't pull an email back from someone's inbox. Instead, it briefly delays sending so you can cancel it in time. Here's how to set it up and use it confidently. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in. Look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. Then choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. You'll land on the General tab, which is where we need to be. Next, scroll until you find the Undo Send section. This is the control that defines how long Gmail waits before it actually sends your message. By default, it might be set to a short window, which can feel too quick. Click the drop-down and pick a longer cancellation period, such as 20 or 30 seconds. A longer window gives you more breathing room to catch mistakes without adding much delay to your normal emails. After choosing your preferred time, be sure to scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. If you skip saving, your new setting won't take effect. Now let's see how it works in practice. Compose an email as you normally would and click Send. Immediately after sending, watch the bottom left corner of Gmail. You'll see a small confirmation bar that says Message Sent with an option to undo. A countdown is running in the background based on the time you selected. If you spot anything you want to fix, maybe you forgot a greeting or the wrong file is attached, click Undo before the timer runs out. Gmail will stop the send and reopen the email as a draft so you can revise it, make your changes, then send it again when you're ready. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Consider doing a quick scan for names, tone, and attachments before sending, and keep your eyes on that bottom left notification right after you click Send. If the undo option disappears, the email has already gone out and can't be canceled. That's it. Open Settings, extend your Undo Send window, and use the Undo button right after sending whenever you need it. With this small adjustment, you'll have a reliable safety net for those inevitable last-second corrections.